What is going on, guys? Ethan with Greyson Grains back again on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. So I am going to be building a lot of smalls coming up. We got Christmas coming up, we got Thanksgiving, there's going to be a lot of small selling. So I don't have a router table. So I'm going to be building one out of the Kreg router table plate that you can buy at Lowe's. I'll link it all down below. If you guys want to go check it out and purchase it, feel free, use my link. Would appreciate it. So I'm going to dive into the whole process. I'm a little bit into it right now, but I'll catch you guys up here real quick. Okay, so out of the box, I got the one that is non-pre-drilled. You can get one that is pre-drilled for your router. I think, you can do the DeWalt, you can do some of the Makitas. I have the Skill router, so mine does not come pre-drilled. So pre-drilled, or I've drilled some holes and then countersunk for the bolts. So they won't stick above the actual top. And then I've made this little router jig right here that I'm going to route along here with a bearing and essentially just be able to put it so it's flush with the actual table. So you guys know my shop. This is where it'll be. This is got the table saw and the typical workbench. We'll put it on this back wall right here. It's not going to be, it's not going to have a lift on it or anything like that, so I'll still be adjusting it from below, but no big deal. All right, so I've got the perimeter routed out. You want to leave enough of a lip for this to actually be able to rest on, because I'm going to take the jigsaw and I'm going to cut all of the rest of this white portion out. So then the plate can just drop right in. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Quick and easy. This thing from Kreg, I mean, I know it's marketed for a router table. Personally, I didn't really think it needed to be. All I wanted to do was just route out a good opening in my workbench. Left a little bit of a lip so it had somewhere to actually rest on. Cool thing with this is it comes with this key right here. So you've got all these different inserts. So you can use different bits. So you don't have to worry about, if one bit is too big or even too small and seems dangerous. It comes with the starter pin, so you have something to rest your piece on whenever you want to start. So this is nothing crazy. I'll probably add a fence for it in a later date, not right now. But yeah, super quick and easy. All right, guys, well, that is the end of the video. So coming up soon, I've got another video coming out here shortly. We are going to be doing some holiday quick sells. What can you make a quick buck for? I know everybody's got Christmas gifts to start buying. Don't forget, Christmas is only about 3 months away. So I'm gonna make a video on some easy, smalls that I can make. Typically, I'm not, big into the smalls. I love building furniture. That's where my passion really is. But holiday season, I know money's gonna be there too. So I'm going to start doing that, and I'll show you guys the process, what I'm doing to sell. Again, we started the new series of starting the woodworking business out of a garage. So I'm going to show you every dollar I make, how I make it, how I market it, what I do. So stick along for the process. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see in the future. Also, just realized I've still got my son's happy birthday sticker. We just went to one of his friends' 2-year birthday party. So instead of my Greyson Grains hat, it's going to be happy birthday. So stick around, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got big things coming. Have a good one.